Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're making Chinese noodle soup. So I'm gonna, these are the ingredients. There's my mum.
Hello.
She'll help in the background.
I'm going to start with the broth.
We're going to start with the broth now. Let's go.
So you need 3 cups, so put...
1.
Yep.
This is the second one.
Yep.
2.
Put that one in.
And voila.
Now bring the jug over because I've just boiled it.
How far?
Yeah, put it right up.
Right to top.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, get and stir it. Get
the whip. I need to sneeze. Ooh. This must be the first cup.
Yeah, that's 2 cups. So
2 cups, yeah.
Get into the pot. Okay, and then add another 1 cup of hot water.
And fill up the top?
Yeah, just 1 cup. Can you see where the 1 cup says?
Oh, there.
Yep, so do 1 cup, so that's 3 cups all together.
Oh,
Yep, empty it, yep. Okay, now I'll put 2 teaspoons of garlic.
Just crushed garlic.
Yep.
So 2?
2 teaspoons.
So it's that one?
No, the small next
that
one. No. Yep.
2?
2 teaspoons of that. Okay, 2 teaspoons of ginger.
Same.
Yep.
2?
Yep.
1, 2.
Yep.
Ooh.
1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce.
So you say?
No, the big one. Yep.
Oh, 1.5.
Yep.
So light soy sauce.
Yep.
Again?
Yep, half. Yep. Oh, that's too, never mind, okay. 2 teaspoons of sugar. So use the other one. Oh no, that one's dry. Oh no, get the other spoon there, the black ones. Yeah.
That one there?
Yes.
That one there?
Yep, 2 teaspoons of sugar.
2. Go down. This one's on my head. 2 way.
Yes. Okay. 1.5 tablespoons of Chinese cooking
So the
wine.
same?
Yes.
Same.
Yep. 1.5.
We'll just go 1 big one.
1 and then a half.
Like that? Oh,
Yep,
oh,
yep,
oh,
yep.
oh.
That's enough. Yep.
I did too much.
And 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil.
And the same.
Yep. 1/2 teaspoon. God, find your 1/2 teaspoon.
So a little one?
No, that's a 1/4. No, that's a teaspoon.
That one there?
Yes, that's a half.
Oh,
Yeah, we've opened it, haven't
no,
we?
no.
Oh.
So I don't have to do it again.
Oh, you're strong this time.
Yeah, that one's not as bad as that one. That one's fucking tight.
Okay, well that's it. Right, mix it all together.
Woof, woof.
The whisk here. Okay, so we'll put it on the element. Okay, put it on the element.
It's gas, remember? Fuck!
You want me to do it? Here, will you hold this and I'll do it. Okay, it's away laughing.
Fuck, that was scary when I did it.
Because I just cleaned it. Okay, so we'll put it on and get it simmering. Yeah, cut it. Just cut it up into. No, just cut it whole. Just go. And then just put it in the broth while it's finals cooking. So just cut. Yeah. Just big. Yeah, like that.
Like that?
Yes.
You know me with knives, Mum. Getting close to my fucking fingers.
Yeah, use that bit too. So yeah.
Right here?
Yep. And then cut the end bit. Just yeah. Just.
I want to get that.
Oh, do you? You want to grow it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to get you to grow it.
Okay. Rightio, and just do the same to all the others.
Okay.
And then we can put it in the chicken broth.
The same with that one.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, we can put it in the COVID.
Okay. First surprise. There you go.
Now Veronica's saving the 3 ends because she wants to grow them. Try grow them in our little veggie garden. Now put that in the broth. Give up smoking.
Come on. It's probably
Bring the board over. Oh well.
started off
Yeah. Okay. And just give it a stir. With the whisk that's in the sink. Just give it a quick stir.
I was going to get the bottom back.
Oh no, it's alright.
Ah, fuck!
Oh. Okay. Rightio. I'll do that. She burned herself.
No.
Okay. Yep. It's still going. Okay. And we'll just put that back on. Okay.
You know, we put the...
Yes, going to cook the egg noodles. Whoop. Let's just with a knife again. We've already got the pot of boiling water on, so we'll just... So we've got fettuccine egg noodles.
Is it been boiled?
No. So we'll just open them, okay. Got bubbling.
I can't really.
No. Hang on. Oh, yes, it's timing on the other side. Okay, we're going to put the noodles in now, the boiling water. And just put them in and see what happens. You just add a little bit more water. Yeah, that should be enough. Okay, put the lid on. Now we do it for 5 minutes. Let it stop. Right.
Thank you for watching my video how to make Chinese noodle soup. If you guys want the recipe, the links are in my description down below. Subscribe, post a notification bell for more videos down the line. Running is out. Bye.